Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. As-Sadaqah. What comes to your mind if I mention to you the word charity? Well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions it frequently in the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to give in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, As-Sadaqatu burhan, that charity is a proof of your faith, a proof of your iman, that you are willing to give away that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provided for you for His sake. One of the great forms of charity that we can give is in the form of the upkeep of the masajid and the houses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's an opportunity for you now, inshallah ta'ala, to give a donation on a weekly basis on the day of Jumu'ah, the very best day of the week. A day in the week that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there is no day that the sun has risen which is better than the day of Al-Jumu'ah. So I encourage you, my dear brothers and sisters, to give some charity from that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to you for the houses of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here at Green Lane Masjid, inshallah ta'ala, there is a new project where you can, inshallah ta'ala, donate for the upkeep of this masjid. I hope that, inshallah ta'ala, you will take this opportunity with both hands and give for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Please don't miss fulfilling this great act of worship on the blessed day of Jumu'ah to reap the reward, inshallah ta'ala, of giving sadaqah on the day of Jumu'ah bi'idhnillah ta'ala. You can automate it from just as little as £2 every single week. You can go to greenlanemasjid.org/Friday giving.